All right, I made it to Friday. So if you're watching me live, let's have a good weekend, okay? But if you have time to watch movies or play solitaire, or I don't know if you're on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, you got to make some content and post some cool things about whatever online opportunity that you're promoting, okay? Because he who posts the most he or she has a really good chance of getting those sales. But you got to get people interested to look at social media. Or maybe you email them because you have a cool list. Or maybe you're just somehow searching online how to make some cool money at home. And what's the number one opportunity in 2024? LiveGood's always going to be up there, guys. 2025 as well. Okay, we're getting bigger, thicker, and longer. Man, LiveGood is kicking it, man. We are just in deep. Okay, I want to show you my Facebook page because with LiveGood, it doesn't pay enough for your interest to remain month after month, year after year. Okay, I need you guys to make more money out the get-go. Okay, and the only way to do that is with a funnel system. And I'm going to show you because a funnel system, one link. And in my case, it's pleasewatchvideo.com. When you go there, you can watch a movie and it's entertaining and it's a video. Okay. Watch the video, make a decision. If you want to come on inside, I'm going to show you where you can put your name and email address and click a little button and go on even a longer journey. And if you want, you can get 30 to 45 emails that give you more information about whatever business you're in. But in my case, I like to promote the funnel itself, okay? I want, by January 2025, I want just my funnel to bring in $10,000 a month. Just my funnel with nothing in it for sale. I want people to get the funnel. And it's affordable. It works. Right now, it's generating millions online. I can't promise that, of course, you're going to make millions of dollars. Because whenever you do videos like this, you got to kind of make a disclaimer. All right. But if you work a little bit, have fun, post, make content, I think you got yourself a darn good opportunity in front of you to finally get that success you've been looking for. Most people that join me in my businesses, they say, God, I've been doing this for 5, 10, 20. I have people that have been doing it 30 and 40 years, going clear back to the 80s and the 70s, trying to do an online business or an at-home business. Because online didn't really get popular till about the mid-90s when America Online and email was just an everyday thing. But I feel I got to give you a high five. Because if you made an MLM or a business out of your homework by knocking on doors and inviting people in your living rooms, hello, Amway, Tupperware. Then you get into the 70s, and of course, there's Mary Kay, Home Interior, I think it was called. And then you get into the 90s New Skin, Herbalife. There's a new MLM type structured business just about every day. And then there's network or affiliate based companies like you go to ClickBank. There's about 1 billion opportunities. All I can tell you, as of November 1st of 2024, I have 6 incomes and all of them work right now. They all complement each other. And how I'm successful doing all 6, I just set up each one. And then I go to GoDaddy and I buy domain names and I promote that domain for people to go watch videos. And they decide do they want the product or the service. They don't bug me. I don't bug them. Okay. But with my funnel system, I like to send people to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. Let me see if I can drop my business card. Because sometimes when I show my business card, people kind of visually, they kind of get it. They're like, this might not be as hard as I think. Okay, so let me see if I can just slide this little bad boy in and let me shrink myself up. Okay, there you go, guys. And that's what I've done. I just watch video. Okay, and then I say, please. Okay, so just click this link or just fill it in yourself. Just type in pleasewatchvideo.com. And I want you to just go on a little journey. Okay, let me see if I can drag it into my screen. I guess I'm not as prepared as I thought. I thought I had my screens already in back of myself, but I don't. So let me go ahead and slide. Please watch video. Okay, there we go. Now, all you do is watch this short video, and it's entertaining. I think you're going to like it. And then go ahead and click here to earn big. Now, you don't have to join yet. Okay, just watch the video again if you'd like. You can get a hold of me if you have questions. But what my funnel does is I put 2 of my own opportunities in that funnel at a 4. So when people go to pleasewatchvideo.com and they want to go on a journey, the first opportunity is to buy the funnel itself. There's education, there's credit card processing, there's all these things that you might need for your online business. Okay. And that's why I like the funnel. Okay. Versus just go straight to this capture page and join. I find that most people need about 10 to 15 emails before they want to join. Some people join 1 to 2 emails. Some people maybe 5 to 10, but in my experience, it takes 15 to 20. And then people go, I think I do need this darn thing. Or sometimes people get an email on, let's say, a Wednesday, but they don't get paid till Friday. They might not get paid till the next Friday, 10 days away. So is there value in an autoresponder built into this funnel where every day you get 1 nice email reminding you about something or training you or teaching you about product or service? Okay. You have 2 businesses you can fill in if you want. If you don't have any idea about what to do, let me know, because I have 2 that are kicking butt. And as a matter of fact, I need 3 of these funnels because I have 6 online businesses. Each funnel, there's 2 opportunities that I put in there. One of them will be LIVEGOOD. The other one will be my email program. One more of my opportunities makes me $900 a day. It's educational courses. You buy it or not, regardless if I do or sell it. Okay. I would love to offer courses where I can get commissions because people are buying this product anyway. Okay. And then I use artificial intelligence. So I really do want 2 more of my businesses in the funnel system. So 2 funnels make sense because I have 6 opportunities. Remember, each funnel you can put 2 in. And man, I'll tell you, I'm kind of jealous. If you have no idea what to do online and your businesses that you're trying to do now are just failing, guys, just promote the funnel itself. $200 to $400 to $600 a day. And usually people join for some reason in the morning. By the time I get up, I usually have like a $200 or a $400 bill in my account. Guys, that's my take home. I got to pay tax on that. But I'm not selling something for $400 and I get a commission of only $30. When I say that I am making $200 to $400, that is my income. It is in my pocket. It sucks you have to pay tax on it, but hey, welcome to the world. It's been that way. I don't know if the caveman had tax, but I'll tell you what, that tax man or tax woman, it is a bugger, isn't it? But the good thing about having your own online business is you will have proper and legal write-offs versus you just get in your car, go to work for 8 to 10 hours and come home. There's definitely advantages of owning your own business out of your apartment or your house. Maybe you're just a roommate with somebody that owns a house. But guys, there's benefits of owning your own business. One of the best is if you can make enough money to live like I do right now, I can get up when I want, take a pee when I want. I can have a nice breakfast when I want. I can take a nap. I can go and take a shower just to wake up and feel good at 3 o'clock after maybe a little bit of a workout or something. I can go to bed when I want. I think the sleep thing is probably my favorite. If I was doing this video 10 or 20 years ago, it's about I'm going to buy cars and planes and jets and giraffes and hippopotamuses like Mike Tyson. He used to have like an exotic zoo at his house, didn't he? But right now, I just want to get up when I want and go to sleep when I want and work at the pace of what I want. No employees, by the way. I deal with people online, but people that get a hold of me, they're all in a good mood because they want to make money and rock. They're not joining me because they're sad and want to stay sad and stay broke. All right. People are like, nope, I'm going to change my life. I'm going to get an income online. And if I can do it, you can do it. There's so many people out there that are shy, retired. They have no experience. And guys, they are doing well in this business. But you got to start by watching short little videos. And when you join me with this funnel system, all you're going to do is set it up. And you're going to invite people to watch short videos. That's all you do. You let the video do everything. Don't mess this up. Guys, I brought in, I think, just 12 grand. Today is November 1st. I think my income totals about $12,000. Okay. And that's just a couple of my incomes. That doesn't include all the other incomes I have with the total of 6. Okay? I know you can do this. Okay? It doesn't take more effort. You don't have to work twice as hard to make twice as much. You just need to make it fun and simple. I'm going to show you what to do. But you got to watch these short little videos first. Okay, let me show you. That's the last time I'll give you a little bit of the palm tree effect. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more time. That's all you do. And when you join me, guys, please get business cards like me and hand them out, but don't talk to people about this business. If you're going to do a post on Facebook, just invite people to, pleasewatchvideo.com in my case. If you get into an email program, keep your email short and sweet and fun. But let all these videos do everything, okay? They do all the heavy lifting and all the recruiting and questions and everything else. This company does all the credit card processing. They just dump a pile of cash every week, every Friday. I know how much I'm going to make on Monday because they show you what you made on a Friday and then it transfers to your bank on Monday. So I get paid every Monday. It's pretty cool. All right, pleasewatchvideo.com. Thank you for your time, guys, and putting up with my messed up voice. I tore my vocal cord, so sorry my voice is kind of gravelly the last couple months. Hopefully it'll get better. If not, you know what? I'm going to cry like a biatch. Okay, I'll see you guys. Take care.